Hello everyone, it's me and Matthew today, the dream team now. And what day is it? Well, it's the 12th of February, Wednesday the 12th, and it's day 9 on the Survival Month series. Where are we today? Well, we're going to be in Hull Beach. We're going to move from Hull Beach to Long Sutton. Then we're going to cut down for a clean close by in Tidcot, and then from there we're going back to Sutton Bridge for the last clean of the day. No skips, so that's good. But we've got 23 cleans in total, various sizes. I've got to do a small flat panel conservatory roof, polycarbonate. What it is someone's cleared out the gutters and I think a bit of moss is just falling down on the roof, so just be a tidy up. That's no problem. And that's what we got for the day. Weather-wise is looking good. It's going to be an overcast day, so the footage might be grainy for that reason, just poor light from a little action camera. It's not forecast to rain, and we're going to have wind of about 7 miles an hour with gusts up to 12 miles per hour. So all in all, should be a good day. But will we do it? Because there's a lot of cleans, 23. What normally happens on this sort of day is obviously we'd have had Sophie and also my wife Teresa when she does a school run. After the school run, we meet up in Hull Beach. And then while we're cleaning, she's transferring water back into her van, so it saves me having to go home to fill up. But because it's just me and Matthew, what's probably going to happen is we're going to have to drive home and drive back out to Hull Beach after we're filled up with water. So that's going to add a lot of time on the day. So the only way to get around that really is work like demons to make time, so you've got that time to lose. So we'll see how it works out. Seems a bit weird having these days where you are doing a bit of driving around, but I do have a couple of them days. Because I'm rural, everywhere's going to be like 10-15 minutes to drive to some of these villages and that anyway. And if I was all in a town, you got the traffic, so you're going to lose time with that on the busy periods or when there's roadworks. But the good thing about having these run-outs on my van is it's a chance for all my batteries to get recharged properly. So it's just the way it is for me and the way I am and the way I've built up my work. It's got more compact than it used to be, but I can definitely see how if you've got a lot of the right work and all located very close to each other, it's going to save you time. You're going to be able to cut through your work. But at the same time, you're not going to get much rest. It's just like a machine gun, belt fed, off you go. At least with a bit of driving between, you get some form of rest anyway. And yeah, so it's all swings and roundabouts and it is what it is. But see how we get on. That's 10 cleans done. I do have one more left in Hull Beach. I've got one on the outskirts of Hull Beach and one not too far from there. Once we've done those particular 3, I said to Matthew, we'll probably shoot off home, eat lunch on the way, and then we'll have a quick brew while we fill up the tank, and then we'll come back out, and that should be us then finished till the end of the day, and we'd have 10 cleans left to do. Where we've got to go for those cleans will be Long Sutton, Sutton Bridge and Tidcot. So I'm hoping we'll still finish at a relatively good time, despite the distance I've got to drive to refill up with water, and the fact that we haven't got Sophie with us. So it's over £400 just over today with all 23 cleans all said and done. So for me and Matthew, that's good. And yeah, the weather, it's not windy, it's just spitting here and there. Other than that, just overcast, not too bad. So at least I can work, and hopefully it's another day for this survival month ticked off and in the bag. Anyway. Right everyone, it's 4:45 in the afternoon. We've just finished the last one. I'm now heading home. It's going to be a 19-minute drive to get home from where we are. Today then, we've completed all 23 cleans, which is good. And we managed to do it without actually popping home to fill up with water, because we decided to use these 8 25-litre barrels of water that we have in the van. We threw them in there. That took us to about 3/4 of a tank, so we just thought that's going to do us. I haven't checked how much water's left neither. So yeah, it got us through, done. So we're now heading home. Job done, happy days. We have had 15 people paid so far today. I know there's going to be about 3 or 4 that will come in tonight as well, and then the others just take a couple of days and they're there. So should be a good amount of money from today going to end up in the bank as well. So that's us done. You've probably seen there was a huge house I did. It's the one where there's 3, I think they're Edwardian houses, I can't remember. They're older than Victorian anyway. They're old Admiralty houses. There's 3 of them together, but today we only had to clean 1. Thank God, because all 3 kind of like ruined me arse. But that's done. So thanks for joining us today. I'll leave a video up or YouTube for the next one to watch. Like and subscribe if you haven't done already, and join us for tomorrow's survival month. Take care.